Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to sign up a Binance account and perform identity verification process, which is required to access all the features and services of Binance. Go to Binance and click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the homepage. Go to Sign Up. You can choose to sign up with your phone number or email address. We will use email for this example. Fill out all the required entry fields and click Create Personal Account. You will receive a verification code to your email. Enter the code and click Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Binance account. Now, you need to perform identity verification to increase your security level and unlock more features and benefits. To do that, click on Verify Now. You will be directed to the identity verification page. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Fill out all the required entry fields, such as your name, date of birth, and country of residence. Make sure the information matches your ID document. Choose the document type you want to use for verification. You can use your passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Click Continue to proceed. You will need to upload a photo of your ID document. Make sure the photo is clear, complete, and in color. The file size should not exceed 10 megabytes. Upload a photo that shows the front of your ID clearly. After uploading, click Continue. Upload a photo that shows the back of your passport clearly. Click Continue after uploading. Click Continue to proceed to the next step where you will need to conduct a facial verification to confirm your identity. Click Begin Verification to proceed. You will be asked to grant access to your camera and microphone. Click Allow to continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the facial verification process. You have finished the verification process and it is awaiting review. You will receive an email notification once your verification is approved or rejected. That's it. You have successfully signed up a Binance account and performed identity verification process. Now, you can enjoy the full range of features and services that Binance offers. Happy trading!